Yeah, so that's my daily update. I'm still trying to visualize the supply tree of the dat ecosystem. So there's lots of modules involved. Currently, I'm checking this algorithm X library, which looks quite nice. Playing around with it. But next to it, I also felt like updating our project management in the datdot project. So I'm quite busy with it because there's a lot of repositories that didn't get any work lately. And basically, datdot has a lot of repositories and they all have issues. Some are quite for a long time. Some have not been touched for quite a long time. I'm trying to kind of clean up that a little bit. And I found that there's a way to use the GitHub search to check all the open issues that are related to a certain repository and to certain assignees, and kind of trying to use that. And that can also be used via the GitHub API. So I'm playing around how to quickly get an overview once all our repositories are updated. I mean, with all the up-to-date issues, and we prioritize which issues to work on next. Then maybe there's also a way to have meetings where we quickly go through the list of open issues. For now, we're using GitHub, but of course the goal is that we'll do it in a way that we can easily transition away from GitHub later on. We started with our issue structure in the past already. Maybe I can just refresh that. So here, let me just randomly go into this issue. Every repository always has one road mapping issue pinned, and that's kind of the overview issue for that repository. And inside of that road mapping issue, all the other issues are linked, and sometimes certain issues are linking to other issues. And by that, we basically have one issue in one of the repositories that is like the kind of overview issue. And from there, other issues are linked, and those link to more issues. So the whole thing builds kind of a tree. And there should be not a single issue anywhere in any of the datdot repositories that's not connected into that to-do tree. It's currently not really up to date because we haven't been using it now for quite some weeks, probably even month, and we want to get back into that. Right, so that's the thing that I'm also trying to do, and I'm very happy that the GitHub search helps with that to manage issues cross repositories. Cool, so that's from me for today.